Welcome back to Daily English Loop. I'm Alex, and this is the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and part of your real, everyday life.
And I'm Lisa. Today, we're talking about something really powerful, how to use your own life to practice English every single day.
Yes, not a textbook.
Not a long vocabulary list,
Not some random topic you never use.
just your real life.
What you eat, what you do, how you feel, where you go.
Honestly, that is some of the most useful English you can ever learn.
Exactly, because a lot of learners study grammar for a long time, but then someone asks, "What did you do today?" And boom, nothing comes out.
Oh yes, that happens all the time. You know a lot of English, but you still feel stuck when you try to talk about your actual life.
So today, we're going to fix that.
We're going to show you a simple daily system,
A free system,
a realistic one,
and a system you can actually keep doing.
because that matters.
A lot.
All right, so let's begin with the big idea. Why is your own life such a good English teacher?
Because your life gives you useful vocabulary again and again.
Yes, the same words come back every day.
Wake up,
Coffee,
work,
lunch,
tired,
meeting,
home,
dinner,
relax.
sweep.
These are not fancy words, but they are real words.
And real words are the ones that build fluency.
Exactly. If you can talk about your own routine, your own feelings, and your own day, your English starts feeling much more alive.
So, step one is very simple. Narrate your morning.
I love that word, narrate.
Me too. It sounds a little dramatic, but the idea is easy.
You become the voice of your own life.
Right. When you wake up, just describe what is happening in simple English.
For example, I am making coffee.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am getting dressed.
I am still half asleep.
Very real sentence.
Extremely real.
So how should learners do this exactly?
Keep it tiny. That is important. Do not try to write a full page at 6 in the morning.
Please do not.
Just write 3 short sentences.
That is manageable.
Very manageable. You can use a notebook, or you can use the Notes app on your phone.
I think both are fine. The important part is not the tool. The important part is the habit.
Exactly. And some people may think these sentences are too easy.
Yes, I can already hear that reaction.
I am drinking tea. I am eating toast. I am getting ready. Some learners may say, come on, that is beginner English.
But that is exactly why it works.
Yes, because you aren't trying to impress anyone. You are training your brain to connect real actions with real English.
Without translating first.
That is the key.
Instead of thinking in your own language and then searching for English, you start building a direct bridge.
Action to English.
Feeling to English.
Daily life to English.
And honestly, that is huge.
It really is. And it also helps because these are high-frequency words.
Right. Most people need words like eat, go, tired, busy, late, hungry, coffee, meeting, and shower, much more than some rare academic vocabulary.
Exactly. Your daily English should come first.
So that's step 1. Write 3 simple morning sentences.
Step 2 is also very important.
Say them out loud.
Yes, not just in your head.
Out loud. Even if it feels a little awkward.
Especially if it feels a little awkward.
Because speaking is physical.
Your mouth needs practice.
Your tongue needs practice.
Your ears need to hear your own English.
So if you write, I am drinking coffee, then say it.
And say it naturally, not like a robot.
Right. I am drinking coffee, not I am drinking coffee.
Exactly. Give it a little life.
maybe even a little feeling.
Like, I'm finally drinking coffee.
That already sounds more human.
And more like real speech.
That's something I really want learners to remember. Simple English can still sound natural.
Yes, natural does not mean difficult.
Great point.
Thank you.
So in the morning, the system is write 3 simple morning sentences, then read them out loud.
That alone is already a very good start.
Definitely. But then comes the evening,
Ah, yes, this is where the past tense comes in.
which makes the whole system even better.
At night, you open the same notebook again, and now you write about what happened earlier in the day.
So in the morning, maybe you wrote, I am eating a banana.
At night, that becomes, I ate a banana this morning.
Morning, I am going to work.
Night, I went to work.
Morning, I am having a meeting.
Night, I had a meeting.
That is such a smart way to practice grammar without making grammar the main event.
Exactly. You are not staring at a chart of irregular verbs and suffering,
You are just telling the truth about your day.
which makes the grammar feel useful.
And memorable.
That matters so much. People remember language better when it connects to real experience.
I completely agree. If you write, I went to the office, that sentence belongs to your actual life.
And because it happened to you, it is easier to remember.
So now learners are practicing present tense in the morning and past tense at night.
Yes, and that is already a strong daily cycle.
But we both know what happens next.
People get busy.
Very busy.
They miss a day.
Then 2 days.
Then the notebook disappears into a drawer forever.
Exactly. So this is where step 4 matters. Make it a habit.
A very small habit.
Yes, small is the secret.
I really believe that. If the task feels heavy, people avoid it.
But if it feels easy, they keep going.
So connect the notebook to something you already do every day.
Like making coffee,
Or making tea.
or sitting at your desk in the morning.
Or putting your phone on the charger at night.
This is often called habit stacking.
Yes, you attach the new habit to an old one.
So if you always make tea in the morning, put the notebook near the tea.
If you always sit on the sofa before bed, keep the notebook there.
Make it visible.
Make it easy.
Make it almost automatic.
Because consistency is more important than intensity.
Definitely. 5 minutes every day is much better than one huge study session once a week.
So much better.
Now, once the habit feels stable, we can make the sentences a little richer.
Yes, this is one of my favorite parts.
Mine too, because this is where learners start sounding more natural.
In the beginning, maybe you write, I had a busy morning.
Perfectly fine.
Very good, actually.
But later, you can build on it.
I had a busy morning because I had 2 meetings.
Nice!
Then maybe, I had a busy morning because I had 2 long meetings, and honestly, I felt a little stressed.
That already sounds much more like real conversation.
Exactly. You are adding detail,
And emotion.
which are both very important.
Another example, maybe your early sentence is, I ate lunch at home.
Later, that can become, I ate lunch at home because I was too tired to go out.
Or, I ate lunch at home and it actually felt nice because I finally had a quiet moment.
That is such a big upgrade, but it still isn't too complicated.
Right, that's important. We're not trying to write a novel.
No, we just want the English to feel fuller and more real.
So a few easy ways to grow your sentences are add because, add and, add time words, and add feeling words.
Feeling words help a lot.
Very much.
Tired, happy, stressed, relaxed, annoyed, relieved, excited.
Those words make the day sound human.
Yes, I had a meeting is okay.
I had a long meeting and I felt exhausted after it is much stronger.
Exactly.
And here's something else that really helps motivation: voice notes.
Ah, yes, I love this step.
Me too, even though I also understand why some people resist it.
Because most people don't love hearing their own recorded voice.
Very true, it can feel strange.
But it's one of the best tools you can use.
So, how do you suggest doing it?
Once a week is enough. Maybe on Friday night or Sunday evening, record a short 1-minute summary of your week.
Not 10 minutes.
No, 1 minute is plenty.
That feels much more realistic.
Definitely. You can say things like, "This week was busy. I worked a lot. I went out with a friend on Wednesday, and I finally finished a project on Friday."
That is simple, natural, and very useful.
And then you save the recording.
That part matters.
Yes, because later, maybe after 1 month or 3 months, you listen again.
And that is when the magic happens.
Exactly. You suddenly hear your progress.
Your sentences sound smoother.
Your pronunciation sounds stronger.
You hesitate less.
You use more words.
And that is very motivating because progress often feels slow when you live inside it every day.
But recordings show you the difference.
Very clearly.
So it becomes proof,
Real proof.
not just a feeling.
And honestly, that kind of proof can keep people going.
I think so too.
All right, let's pause and do a quick recap.
Good idea.
Step 1. Narrate your morning.
Write 3 short sentences about what you are doing.
Step 2. Say those sentences out loud.
Let your mouth practice the English too.
Step 3. At night, write 3 short past tense sentences about your day.
Real life plus real grammar.
Step 4. Connect the habit to something you already do every day.
Make it easy to remember.
Step 5. Slowly make the sentences richer.
Add detail, emotion, and simple connectors.
Step 6. Record a 1-minute weekly voice note.
Save it and listen again later to hear your progress.
That is a really strong system.
And what I like most is that it does not feel fake.
Yes, that's a great way to put it.
You're not pretending to live someone else's life in English,
You're using your own.
which means the English becomes more personal
And more useful.
and easier to remember.
Before we finish, let's give listeners a couple of simple example entries.
Good idea.
Morning example. I am drinking tea. I am getting ready for work. I feel sleepy.
Night example. I drank tea this morning. I got ready for work quickly. I felt much better after lunch.
See? Very simple.
But very real.
And that is enough.
More than enough, actually.
So now it's your turn.
Yes, we want you to try this today.
In the comments, write 1 or 2 short sentences about your day.
You can use the present tense or the past tense.
For example, I am listening to this podcast and drinking coffee.
Or, I went to work this morning and I felt really tired.
That's excellent practice.
And if you can, add one feeling word.
Yes, that makes it even better.
We'd love to read your sentences.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Loop.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing with your real life.
Keep building your English one small step at a time.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!